Hey there, marketers! Welcome to Digital Marketing 101, everything you need to know. I'm here to break down the essentials of digital marketing in a way that's clear, concise, and actionable. So what exactly is digital marketing? At its core, digital marketing is the use of digital channels to promote or market products and services to consumers and businesses. This includes channels like search engines, social media, email, and websites. Think of it as traditional marketing, but turbocharged by the power of the internet. The goal is to engage with your audience where they are spending their time, online. There are several key components to digital marketing you should know about. First up, search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is all about optimizing your website to rank higher on search engine results pages, which helps increase your organic traffic. Next, we have pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. This is a model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. It's a way to buy visits to your site rather than earning them organically. Social media marketing is another crucial element. This involves creating content and engaging with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. It's all about building relationships and driving brand awareness. Content marketing is the practice of creating valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. This could be blog posts, videos, infographics, or podcasts. The aim is to provide relevant information that solves your audience's problems. Email marketing remains a powerful tool. Sending targeted emails to your subscribers can help nurture leads and convert them into customers. It's personal, direct, and highly effective. And let's not forget about analytics. Measuring and analyzing data from your campaigns is essential for understanding what's working and what isn't. Tools like Google Analytics can provide deep insights into your audience's behavior. Digital marketing is a vast field, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. Each of these elements can be tailored to fit your specific business needs and goals. The key is to stay updated with the latest trends and continuously test and optimize your strategies. So if you're ready to dive into the world of digital marketing, remember, it's all about connecting with your audience in the right place, at the right time, and with the right message. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.